So I made this TikTok duet to How You Like That by Blackpink, and I really love this song. There's also this move that I really love doing. So I used some of the original moves, not all of it, just a few, and I made a duet out of it, changing it a little bit and making, my own thing. The original is from Tutin, HANAGAMI, Lalau, and they made something very awesome, so congratulations to that. On TikTok, a lot of you requested for me to make a tutorial out of this, so here it is. Also, in the description, there's a video link where you can watch the dance with the original music and you can practice slow and then fast, step by step. I'd appreciate it if you support me by giving this video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to teach you the moves, and then we're going to practice where I go first and then you go. Yes? So first, your legs are not far apart. You're going to put your right hand to your side, but you're going to step with it. So first, we're going to practice this step. It's pretty much stepping on right, left, but your upper body pretty much leans from side to side. So you lean right, left, yeah? Lean to the right, left. And your body pretty much bends, yeah, to the side. So your right shoulder goes down. So you have 1, 2, and then you're gonna point, yes? And then you're going to bring it in. So you're going to pretty much bring your arm closer to your body, yes? So you point out first and then bring it in. And then you're going to look in that direction. They kind of stand up a little bit because they go a little lower. You can do that too if you want to. So you're free to do that. So I pretty much already stand in the bend position, but for fun, we can always just go a little lower. What you do with your neck is pretty much this, to the side. That, yeah? So this takes a bit of practice to loosen it up. Maybe if you are comfortable with just also using your shoulders, you can, but it's that. Yes? So when we go from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That. So your hand points at yourself, away, at yourself, away. It's not that difficult. So ba. So back, forward, back. Yeah? Ba. And you can add a ba going lower with that. Yes? So let's do it again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Boom. Point to your body. Ba. Yes? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Boom. Ba. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da. Yes, and make this very playful. D. Yes. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da. And when you do this move, they pretty much have like a bigger stance. You can if you want to. So be free with that. This is all just, just for you to have fun. But make sure it's just not too stiff, yeah? Try to make it more like a walk, ba. Yes? All right, so we're moving on. So we had the da. Then we're gonna get da. So your hand goes back and forth, right? And then when you have had that, you're going to kind of point to the front, yeah? And then you're going to see how my hips are relaxed, so I can go like boom. So lean in your left leg. So you lean your hip to the left, and then you can move it to the front. So you can see boom. Yes? Ba. So you're going to point to the front. Yeah, it's hard to do this with your legs straight. So make sure when you have that da. So da. And when you do this, you lean a little bit forward. Yeah, so this is straight forward. And you got da. da, and then you have this that. So when you have here, da, 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 da. Yeah, because my leg is a little bit in the front, I bring it next to the other. Yeah, if your leg is already here, you just have to bring it straighten it up. Yes? So when we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, da, 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 da. And this you can do here, you can just do in my direction, you can do it in any way. Yeah? You can just do it towards the camera, wherever you want to. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, 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 da, da, ba. Yes? Boom. Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, 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 da, 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 da. So when you do this, relax your hips. Yeah? Da, 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 ba. Just, you can also practice twisting it with your whole foot, and then just your hips, yeah, because it's not the heel, it's your hips pretty much that move. See, my foot doesn't move that much, but if you need it, do it, yeah. If it helps, do it, and then later you're just gonna focus on this because you wanna have this instead of doing all of that. Okay, we're moving on. The next move. So this is a whole section, yeah. This until that. So the next part starts with a mop. We're going to go right, left. So as you see, my right leg steps to the front. Yeah, but there's a bounce to it, and this is very important because it makes that, you know, that beat go boom, 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 boom. So it has like this bouncy beat to it. So you bounce, bounce, yeah. Then you're gonna go whop, whop, yeah. This side and then this side, because it's going to lead into how you like that part. Of the that, 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 that. Yes? So we're gonna go bounce, 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 bounce. And then you're going to go into the next part. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah? Make sure that chest really does that bounce. Yes? So when we've had that, so we've had boom, boom, ha, ha. You're going to go right, left, right, left. So your legs are gonna go right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Yeah, step, 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 step. Don't make it too heavy on your feet. Just make it very light. Yeah, don't go like bonk, 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 but walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. Yes, so your hand's gonna go that, 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 that. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. That, 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 that. And my hips also add to this move. Right, left, right, left. And my hips pretty much go to the side, but it's controlled with your steps. So practice that. Always practice things slow so you can see where you have problems. Yes? So that, 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 that. So pretty much your hands and your hips go to the same side. Yes? So let's do it from the mop. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, ka, ka. That, 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 that. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, choo, choo, boom, boom. That, 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 that. Then you're going to get that, 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 that. Yeah, this you could also do in the other side. So you can be creative with it. It's a jump that you can go in any direction you want. Yeah, so you have chest out, and you pull your arms back. Yeah, so you have that. Yes, let's do it again. I count in 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we go like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. that. And in the music video, they do like a that. Yeah, but I just change it. Yes? So we go that. But you could always do the original because the music is exactly the same. The timing is the same. It's like 1, 2, 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, and I do 1, 2, 3. So you can just have fun with it, okay? So Let's do it from the map. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Chuku chum chum. Da 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 ha. Yes, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Chuku boom boom. Da 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 da. Yes. So that's the second one. Yes. So let's do it just one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Chuku boom boom. Da 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 da. Yes. So then we're going to get the next move. We're going to get like a yeah. You're going to pretty much roll your body away, but you're going to push it with your hand. This you can do with a fist. You can just do spread fingers. You can just tap it like this, but you're going to pretty much go in a roll, and it goes to the right. But this going to lead into that. So we're going to go boom, and then there's going to be this move, yeah, like you're hot, but it's pretty much look at me, now look at you, look at me, now look at you. So first is going to be a boom, look at me, now look at you, yes? So boom, look at me, now look at you, yeah? So you have boom, step, step, step. And this pretty much keeps going, yes? And this, you can make it as fluid as possible or just step, because they have like this step forward. You could also do that because this is pretty much the same thing, yes? Except for the steps. So doom, see, 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 see. This is pretty much what keeps going, yes? So you have boom, look at me, now look at you, boom, look at me, now look at you. So then you're going to get a step here, and then you're going to go like how you like. So you're going to be from left, right, left, that, yeah? How you like that, yeah? How you like that. So your hips are going to go around. So you're going to go how you like that. And this comes from that like splash movement, but I just boom, do it a little bit like this, yes? So when you have boom, look at me, now look at you, boom, look at me, now look at you, how you like that, yes? So you pretty much have your roll, and this roll, I go from right to left. See how I'm blending this movement into this. So it pretty much is a big version of this. It's pretty much the nay-nay, yes? So you have this boom, look at me, now look at you, boom, look at me, now look at you, how you like that, yes? So pretty much there's like this little stop, how you like that. Yes, let's do it again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Look at me, now look at you, boom. Look at me, now look at you, how you like that. Yes, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Look at me, now look at you, boom. Look at me, now look at you, how you like that. Yes? All right, so that's the next move. So now we're going to go to the last one. So then we're going to get a boom. This is my favorite move, by the way. Boom and step, step. So let me explain this, because normally they have like this here, ba-bum, and I just step, and then I go into this groove. So they do this more on the heels. I have a bit of a walk to it, but I don't mind if you do exactly what they do, yes? So there's a difference between on the foot and on the toes, yes? Toes, heels. Heels, kind of also, it also feels good. So when we have this, so you go to the left and then right, left. Yeah, for now, I'm just going to do this on my heels just to, get comfortable with that. So left, right, left. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. So it's pretty much like a pull to the left, to the right. Pull, right, left. Pull, ka, ka. So what we're going to do is left, right, left, and then you're gonna keep going, left, right, left. Yeah, so you have boom, pa, pa, keep it going. Yes, so you have boom, pa, 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 how you like that. And this you could also do how you like that, or you can go from your here, see, wha, 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 how you like that. So you can always do this in the direction that you want to have it. Yes? So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, let me remove this. Yes, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Pa, pa. Keep it going. How you like that. Yeah? Boom. Look at me, now look at you. Doom. Look at me, now look at you. How you like that. So this has more like a wavy vibe to it. So see how my body goes from side to side. And my heels go open. Yes? But this, bringing it together, might be a challenge. Yeah? So let me just explain this a little bit better. So see how my body, almost, for me, it feels like I'm pulling myself to sides. Yeah? But I just don't do it like this. It's more like I'm waving. Yeah, and see how fluid this is? Doom. Look at me, now look at you. Doom. Look at me, now look at you. Boom. Look at me, now look at you. So it also feels like elbowing. Yeah? So you can decide how aggressive you want to have it. Yes? All right, so let's do it one more time from look at me, now look at you from this part. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Look at you, now look at me. Boom. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that. Yeah, and like I said, you can do that in whatever direction. Okay? So now we're going to do it with the music in the link, in the description. There's a link, and there you can practice with the music. So what we're going to do, we're going to go slowly, then I show the moves, and then you do it, and then later we can do it faster. Yes? So in the video, you will exactly see what you have to do. All right? So have some fun.